Hi mga friend! It's been a long time since nag-last cook tayo. We had a lot of activities for the past months. Field bending, travels, and went to Iloilo, to Cebu. So, ngayon lang tayo ulit makakapag-cook. Yung mga pinopost natin are old videos. So, today we're gonna cook. It's a Sunday here in the Philippines. Magluto tayo ng pochero. Our favorite kasi yan yung alam natin lutuin. So, naku, may sugar kaya tayo. So, we have chicken, sibuyas and bawang, sitaw, repolyo, and our saging. Yan. So, sana magustuhan ni Pops yung ating lunch for today. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Ayan mga friends, Kat and Tin, finally nakapag-cook na si Momsy ng lunch. Ayan, Sunday, family day sabi na. So finally, we're home after so many months of road trips, work. Ayan. So yan, we have time to cook for our lunch. So ang lulutuin natin nga, as I've mentioned, pochero. So ayan na yung ating atsuete. Sauce, sitaw, or repolyo, or saba. So, ayan, ginisa na natin yung chicken natin with sibuyas and bawang. Papalambutin muna natin before lagay natin yung mga sahog niya. Ayan. So, sana magustuhan ni Popsy ang ating pochero today. So, yan. Tin. Finally, Tin. Nakapagluto na si Momsy. Lagi mo tinatanong if I cook the food. Ayan. We are cooking again for lunch. I'm sorry kung naging busy in other things. Road trips. Work. Yan. So, ayan. Today, we are cooking for Popsy. Sana magustuhan ni Popsy ang ating lunch. Stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Hi, Nyet! Ayan, ang luluto na ang ating pochero for lunch today, Sunday, family day. Ayan, nagluto ako ng pochero, chicken pochero today after so many months na travel, work. Ayan, ngayon lang tayo nagka-time to prepare lunch for Popsy and me. Ayan. Sana magustuhan ni Popsy ang ating chicken pochero. Sabi ni Kuya Daniel, mukhang masarap. Sana masarap siya. Enjoy, enjoy. Lunchtime today. Stay safe, everyone.